Welcome to How to Music Tech. This is part 19 in this series. How to use the looper. Once you're on the looper control screen, which is what we're on now, the display will show ready if no loop has been recorded, like it's showing now. To record a loop, press the foot switch corresponding to the record and play, or alternatively you can press record on the touchscreen. If during recording you want to discard it and start over, you can press stop, either on the touchscreen or the foot switch. This will cancel that and you can start again. If you start recording, if you're happy with your loop and how it's going, you can press the play button or the play foot switch to stop recording and automatically start playback. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials on this unit and others to come. Plus, if you'd like to support the channel directly, why not consider becoming a member? Thanks again, goodbye, see you in the next one.